Don't you see there ain't no fruit on the ground? Cause Satan ain't shit. But what's the truth they don't want to tell you? They got you thinking that Adam and Eve was husband and wife. How the fuck could they be husband and wife, doofus ass bitch? Who would have married them? That was no motherfucking relationship, bitch. Who the fuck is Adam? Is that God's son? Then who the fuck is Eve, bitch? God's daughter. The fuck you mean? That's incest, goddammit. Some shit that can't be fixed, you raggedy, dirty son of a bitch. And that's why the nasty ass got threw out the garden in the first place. Get out of Africa with that foolishness.